Alright guys, have another submission. This is, I want to say there's maybe 10 to 14 books in here. I completely forgot what I had sent Gary. Gary Kendra at Impressive Comics cleaned and pressed these for me as usual. I don't think these were pre-screened, so whatever the grades I get. So there's going to be absolutely no rejects in this batch. I don't know if you guys just heard, but CGC just sold their company for $500 million. Let's see.
Is that a lot of money?
What'd you say?
Is that a lot of money?
Is that a lot of money? That's what he says. Okay, so there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11 books in here. Okay, this is long shot number 1. This is the Canadian price variant. It's got a 9.6. This is a pretty nice book. Can't really see any flaws in that one. Okay. This is Ultimate Fallout number 4. Second print. 9.8. Alright. Ultimate Fallout number 4. 9.8. Okay. So far so good. Another one. Dad. 9.8.
How many of those do you have in there?
These were, a lot of these were Ultimate Fallouts, which is good because this book is 9.8. I think a 9.8 right now is going for anywhere between 800 to 1,000. 9.8. Oh, 9.96. Did you?
Oh.
Yo, you fooled me.
I look like an 8 from where
Yeah, don't do that again. Don't do it again. Okay, so yeah, now these were all newsstand editions. You can see the
Hulk?
Incredible Hulk. This is the first appearance of the Red Hulk. 9.4. This book is super. So I have another copy of this. This one was a little on the rougher side, but 9.4 is good for this book because they just basically stood on the newsstand shelves, and they were meant to get read and manhandle. So this is Hulk number 15, I believe, another newsstand edition. 9.2. So this is the first appearance of the Red She-Hulk. Newsstand 9.4.
How many more you got?
Two more did. Another Ultimate Fallout number 4. 9.8. And then we have the last one coming up. Whoops. Last one, Ultimate Fallout number 4. 9.8. Perfect. So we got a lot of 9.8s in here. Good batch. That's it. Guys, comment down below, subscribe, hit that like button. See you in the next video. Yeah, I love you. Yeah, I love you. Also found this sweet Blackbird shirt. I want to say copyright is, it's either 80, it's either late, I know it's late 80s, early 90s. It's on the Oneida tag. Size large. I mean, look at that graphic. It's tight. It's got some wear in it. It's perfect. See that back hit. It's got a, what is this? I'm not a plain dude. A10, A14 Thunderbolt. Sweet. Yo. That's what I'm talking about. Worth $2.98 all day. Found these sweet shorts yesterday. As soon as I saw them, I loved them. Then I'll put a comp on eBay. I couldn't believe how. Dad, I'm making a video, Mom. Kind of ruined the video, Mom. Say my son. Yeah, I couldn't believe what these were going for. As soon as, like I said, as soon as I saw them, I loved them. Let's take a look at that, dude. Yo, shark going after the teddy bear. Little sharkies. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. All right, guys. So I just I was driving and I saw some garbage, and it's all clothes. Not sure if there's anything good, but I mean, worst case scenario, I just donated back to, what is this? Okay, so this is a Walt Disney shirt, and it's "You're Not." That's cool. I don't know what, no copyright date, but you know, for free. What the hell? Keep that. What is this? Sabers joint. I don't think this is old, but whatever. For free, I'll take it. Is there shirts in it? Oh shit! What's up? More Sabers. This guy must have been like a Buffalo Bills Sabers guy. Let's see, NFL player. Who's this? Is this Fitzmagic? No, Sammy Watkins. But it's a black jersey. That's cool. I'll take that. Nice Bills jersey. Okay, take that. Oh my God, he was a Bills nut. I know a Bills nut. What is this, Bauer? What is this, jersey, pants, shorts? Okay, some Nike stuff. Like I said, I got this out of the garbage. Gloves. I don't want gloves. Looking for ties. Definitely don't want a tie. Where's all the shirts? Give me the shirts. Looking for crew necks. What do we got? I'll have to dig a little deeper. Kind of hard holding the phone. Let's see. I don't want to rip the bag because I want to, like I said, I would just donate this back. Jeez, there's a ton of shit in here. All right, I'll go through it right now. I'm going to turn this off, see what we come up with.
I mean.